Hello, my name is Trey Barnes. I'm a data solutions engineer with Asset Vue, and today I'm going to be going over how to use custom views to create on-demand reporting in the Asset Vue 3 application. So as you can see on my screen here, I'm logged into Asset Vue. I'm in the Assets tab right here, as you can see at the top, and I'm looking at some data. So let's say that I want to get a list of all of the laptops in my current environment and find out who is assigned a specific laptop, who needs to be assigned a laptop, and just general information of how many laptops I have in the environment. So one thing that I can do that with is the asset tab here. Asset type, the asset type name. So if I were to type in laptop here, you'll see that I will auto filter on all of the asset types of laptop in here. So as you can see, I also have some additional information that I might not necessarily care about, like the last modified date or the date added. So I have the option here to remove those columns. So let me actually remove the serial number as well, because I don't necessarily care about that. Let's do alternate tag number. Let's remove that one. Folder path, I might not necessarily care about that as well. Inventory state, last modified, and date added. So now I have tag numbers, which could also be optional as well, but I do have the main information such as the employee assigned here, and also the asset type of laptops here. So let's say that I might need to do this every week, maybe every month. I have the option to save this particular view. So if I were to hit save as here, and you'll see I have the option to give a view a name. So we can call this laptop view, and we hit the save button. So now you'll see in this top left hand corner I have the laptop view here, and I have the option to update the view. So let's say I wanted to actually remove tag numbers. I could just simply remove tag number, hit save. I want to give it the same name, that's fine, hit save, and it actually updated the view as well. So at this point I even have the option to delete or give it a completely new name, but let's go back to the default here for the select view. So as you can see, it's no longer filterable, and I have the option to add my fields back, description, let's add like the last modified, date added, that information again. And let's say the next month rolls around or the next week rolls around and I want to use that view again. I can go into select view, laptop view, and it automatically filters into that view again. And as I said, this can be used for on-demand reporting. So at this point, if I wanted to export, I can export here on the top right, and then we'll want to go with the search results export. So if we do search results, you'll see it's downloaded here, and then gave it a name of assets.csv. I have the option to open that, and since it's CSV, doesn't have to necessarily be open through Microsoft Excel, even though that's what I'm using currently. We do have the option to have that in the Google Docs and LibreOffice, but here you have your report here of the asset names, the employee breakdown, make and model, the asset type. So that's one example of using the views for on-demand reporting to accomplish your business solutions. So thank you for your time.